Hello everyone, this is Elsa. Welcome to my Chinese learning channel. Today we are going to learn 10 of the most common and useful major words. There are many unique features of the Chinese language. Major words can be one of the most confusing things of the Chinese language for beginners. But if you think about it, we usually use major words in English as well, such as a cup of coffee, a piece of cheese. In total, there are 115 major words in Chinese language.
Nani?
But relax. Today we are going to learn 10 of the most useful and common major words. Okay, let's get started. 个 can be used as a generic major word if you are not sure what is the correct one. In general, 个 is a major word should be used for people. The typical structure is number plus major word plus noun. For example, 一个人 one person. The number 一 plus major word 个 plus noun 人一个人 one person 一个人三个学生 three students 三个学生 Also, 个 can be used for unspecified items, such as 一个苹果 one apple 一个苹果 One apple is 一个苹果, so what about 2 apples? 两个苹果 You see, there is no changes in the noun. 一个苹果两个苹果 In English, 一个苹果 one apple 两个苹果 2 apples. There is changes in the noun, but in Chinese, 一个苹果两个苹果 There is no changes in the noun.No matter it's single or plural, the Chinese use number to specify the quantity. 一个苹果两个苹果三个汉堡 three burgers 三个汉堡一个问题 one question 一个问题位is another useful common major word to count people. Compared to the major word 个 位 is a more formal. So if you want to show some respect or some politeness to people you are talking about, it's a good idea to use 位。这位老师 this teacher. 这位老师那位医生That doctor. 那位医生 And if you go to a restaurant in China, the waiter will ask you, 请问几位 How many people? 请问几位 It's like more politely and more respect. 请问几位张Maybe it is quite easy to remember the major word 张 because it refers to flat things, such as paper, ticket, photos, CD, tables, beds, and so on. For example, 一张纸 a piece of paper. 一张纸两张桌子Two tables. 两张桌子三张照片 Three photos. 三张照片 You see, they are all flat things. 三张照片 You'll find you use the major word 张 frequently if you are living or traveling in China, as you are always be buying movie tickets, bus, subway, train tickets. For example, 一张电影票 a movie ticket. 一张电影票，两张火车票 two train tickets. 两张火车票。杯 Learning how to use the mirror word 杯 maybe is quite easy because it can be directly translated to the English word cup or glass. For example, 一杯咖啡 a cup of coffee. 一杯咖啡。两杯茶 two cups of tea. 两杯茶。一杯红酒 a glass of red wine. 一杯红酒。瓶 As we just learned, 杯 means cup or glass, then 瓶 means bottle. If you are going out to eat or drink, these two mirror words are must-knows. For example, a cup of cola is 一杯可乐。一杯可乐。Then a bottle of cola is 一瓶可乐。一杯可乐。一瓶可乐。This is the difference of the 杯 and 瓶. They are used the same way as they use in English. 本 You need to use a different mirror words if you are talking about books and other similar items such as magazines, photo album, dictionary, notebooks, and so on. For example, 一本书 a book. 一本书。两本杂志 two magazines. 两本杂志。只 Just as we learned, 个 is a generic mirror word used for people, so 只 is a generic word used for animals, especially for smaller animals. For example, 一只猫 a cat. 一只猫。两只鸟 two birds. 两只鸟。一只松鼠 a squirrel. 一只松鼠。只 can be also used for talk about something coming in pairs, but one of the pair, such as some body parts and shoes. For example, 两只眼睛 two eyes. 两只眼睛。一只鞋子 a shoe. 一只鞋子。You see, 两只眼睛，一只鞋子 There are something come in pairs, but we use 只 to talk about one of the pair. 头 只 is a mirror word used for smaller animals, then 头 is used for big animals. 一头大象 an elephant. 一头大象。两头牛 two cows. 两头牛。四头狮子 four lions. 四头狮子。So 头 is used for big animals, but 只 is used for small animals. 条 is a mirror word used for things with a long, narrow shape, such as fish, snakes, river, road, ties, pets, etc. 一条鱼 a fish. 一条鱼。两条蛇 two snakes. 两条蛇。They all have long and narrow shape. 两条蛇。那条河 that river. 那条河。 这条裤子 These pants 这条裤子双 is the major word used for pairs. For example, 一双筷子 a pair of chopsticks. 一双筷子 they come in pairs. 一双筷子 Note, 双 is used for things come in pairs can be separated, such as 一双筷子 a chop of chopsticks they can be separated. Unlike in English, 双 cannot use for pens, glasses, scissors because they are viewed as entity in Chinese. So 双 is typically used for things in pairs that can be separated, such as 一双袜子 a pair of socks they can be separated. But pants they can't be separated. So we use 一条裤子 just as we learned before. 一条裤子 not 一双裤子。一双鞋子 a pair of shoes. See, they can separate it. 一双鞋子 Okay, this is today's lesson. 10 must-know Chinese major words for beginners. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please give me a subscribe and thumbs up. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.